Hi guys, welcome back to another video from our YouTube channel. In this video, we will go through high-level overview of how to create or build our own chatbot using Python. If you are interested in learning, you can find lot of useful videos in our channel. Make use of those videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel to not miss any new videos. Let's get started. To create your own chatbot on Ubuntu, you will need to follow these steps. Step 1. Install the necessary software. You will need to install Python, pip, and the necessary libraries such as TensorFlow, keras, and NLTK. You can install these using the following commands. Sudo apt-get install python 3. Sudo apt-get install python 3 pip. Pip 3 install TensorFlow. Pip 3 install keras. Pip 3 install NLTK. Step 2. Create a new Python file. Use any text editor like Vim or Gedit to create a new Python file. This will be the place where you will write the code for your chatbot. Step 3. Import the necessary libraries. At the top of your Python file, you will need to import the libraries you installed in step 1. For example, import TensorFlow as TF. Import keras. Import NLTK. Step 4. Define your chatbot's architecture. You will need to define the structure of your chatbot, including the input and output layers, as well as any hidden layers. This will involve creating a neural network using TensorFlow and keras. Step 5. Train your chatbot. Next, you will need to train your chatbot using a dataset of conversations. You can use the NLTK library to pre-process your data and prepare it for training. Step 6. Test your chatbot. Once your chatbot is trained, you can test it by running it in the terminal and interacting with it using natural language input. Step 7. Deploy your chatbot. Once you are satisfied with your chatbot's performance, you can deploy it to a platform such as Facebook Messenger or Slack. Note: this is a very high-level overview of the process. Creating a chatbot involves a lot of coding and machine learning expertise. It is recommended to seek guidance from experts or tutorials before embarking on this project. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you to understand how to create your own chatbot using Python. Keep practicing and have fun.